Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to set a passcode on web. I wonder why you want to know how to set a passcode on web. Maybe because you want to keep your privacy by setting a passcode on it so that no other person could open it. Maybe it has some your personal information or some secret information, so you just want to keep it private and safe by setting a passcode on it. Or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed a BIP app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once it get installed make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So just simply tap on the icon of the BIP app to open it. Once it gets open, you will notice that it didn't ask for any kind of passcode because no passcode is set on it. So today in this video we will see how we can set a passcode. So once you open, you will see its interface. We were in the message section, but this one is a call section. So we have to get into this third section where you could see we have a lot of different options. This section is called more because it has a lot of different options. So you just have to scroll down to the down of the page and you have to click on this settings option. Just simply tap on it and settings will open. On the top you will read settings and you will see different options. So from all these options, what we have to do is that we have to select this third last option, which is privacy, this one. You just have to simply click on it, and after that we will get into it. At the top, as you can see, it is written privacy. That means we are in the privacy section and all these options are related to privacy. So this is the first option which says passcode and face ID. Through this option we can easily set a passcode on our BIP app if you have not set any kind of passcode. By doing this you can keep your account private, you can keep the content in your account private. So just simply click on it. After that, here you will see that this option is disabled. So to enable it, what we have to do is we just have to simply click on the button which is along with passcode. Under it we have a description which says that if you ever forget your passcode, so you can delete and reinstall the app. So the problem that we will face is that your data in the app could be deleted. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you enable it, first it will ask you to set a passcode. You have to enter 6 digits in your passcode. It could be any kind of combination of 6 digits of your choice. Whatever you like, you just have to enter, and again after that you have to enter the passcode to confirm it. So whatever passcode you have entered in the first attempt, you have to enter the same passcode again. Make sure you enter the same passcode. After that it will enable the passcode. Now we will check the passcode. For that we will reopen the app. Now just again simply tap on the icon of the BIP app to open it. Once it get open, it will ask for a passcode. That means we have successfully set a passcode. Now again you have to enter the correct passcode that we entered when we were setting it. Make sure you enter the correct one. In case you enter the wrong, it will not accept it and will not open it. And here you can see it just turned on. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can set a passcode on BIP. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.